Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is super casual. I walked in the door from the post office. I had a box. I can't wait to open it. So this is a mystery box. Actually, this is one of 3 mystery boxes of free inventory from an aunt of mine. So my dad is actually from Portland, Oregon. And so I've got a whole bunch of family up there. And one of my aunts reached out to me about a week ago and said I knew she recently retired. She was cleaning out her closet and she asked if she could send me some stuff, thinking that maybe I could resell it. So I think that's really sweet. I haven't really done too much asking outside of family or friends for porch pickups or free inventory at this time, but it has been really great. I've sold a number of those items that have been free. And so Nancy, thank you so much. If you're watching this, thank you so much for sending this. I did offer to pay for shipping, but I get my stubborn genes from my family, obviously. So she would not accept it, but I did send a couple thank you gifts. So hopefully she gets those soon, because this was definitely just a very sweet thing to do at this time. So if you aren't subscribed and you like reseller content, specifically around Poshmark and eBay, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, let me know, I appreciate it. Also, one of my neighbors, it's weed season. So he's out on his lawn tractor right now, dealing with weeds. So if you hear background noise, I do apologize. The door is open because my dog, she likes to guard the house. It's this whole thing. And I just can't wait to open this. So hopefully it's not too loud. Okay, so I have some scissors here and I'll speed through this. Okay, so box is jam-packed with stuff. She did tell me a couple things. Some of it was from a previous job where she kind of had to dress more business casual. She did say there's some new tag stuff. She said there was some stuff that might have a little bit of wear, so she wasn't sure if that would be sellable, but that it was just kind of a variety of things, both work and casual. And so again, I'm just so happy about this. Okay, so the first thing I see is new with tags, which prompted, oh, there's shoes. Oh, okay, I can't jump ahead. All right, so this first one is new with tags. This is American Living. I don't know where they sell this. Oh, it's got a Macy's. Macy's, I like shopping at Macy's. I feel like that just runs in the family. But these are just a black, kind of a skinny pant. And yeah, these are perfect. These are definitely the types of things that people buy one and then they go onto eBay or something to buy more of them. So that's awesome. Very happy with that. Okay, so shoes are right here. So let's just jump in. Okay, so this is Blvd. I believe this is the Nordstrom one. I could be wrong since I'm not 100% clear on Blvd, but these are really cute little summer slides. Has this cute little clear bottom. They are worn, but still in good condition. And where is the size? I'm gonna have to find the size. Sometimes these sandals are hard, but I also know she's probably the same size foot as all the shoes in here. So anyways, a pair of those. Okay, so some Nike, very excited about these. So Nike is from Portland. And so I used to go to soccer camp up there at University of Portland during the summers because I was a really big soccer player, and a lot of the sports teams up there are sponsored by Nike. And so these are awesome. These are Nike free, kind of a brown color, hardly worn if ever. So those are awesome. I don't think they've been worn. All right, and these are, so what size? US 8. So she's just a smidge tinier foot than me, but that's okay. I don't need shoes, but if they were my size, I'd be tempted. All right, another pair of Nike. These are cute. So Nike, I think that the design is without the laces. I'm gonna have to look up this style, but it's because it's sewn right here where you can't put the lace through. So I think that's just the style. And again, really good condition. And a size 8. So those are awesome. I wasn't expecting shoes. She did say she threw in a couple bags. And I don't know if I mentioned this. I think I did. This is box number 1 of 3 boxes. So I got this one first. I'm guessing the other 2 will get here soon. So, all right, Jones, New York. This definitely looks like something I would have worn to work. I actually owned quite a bit of this brand for my previous career job. So this is really nice. It's very soft, and I love this detail down the front. So that's Jones, New York. and awesome. Oh, what is, okay, I can't skip ahead. All right. Okay, this looks like it has a tag, so I'm guessing this was probably new without tags. It also just kind of has that new feel, but I'm not familiar with this brand. This is Lizette Montreal. And I actually had some pants very similar to this that I wore a lot to work. So, and I have sold some of those on eBay. So these are just kind of a slim leg career pant. So that's perfect. This is so fun. It's really a mystery box, but okay, another pair of shoes. Ooh, I have sold this brand. I pick up this brand. They sell this at a variety of department stores. It's a little hard to read, but it says Monroe. And really cute little slides. So these are perfect for the season. And again, size 8. Second one. Okay, I don't know what's in this box. A belt? No. What in the world? This is beautiful. It's like a box. Oh, it's like a corkscrew set, a wine set. She didn't tell me she was throwing in some odds and ends as well, but that's really cute. I don't see a brand on here, but I'll look later. So I think this is, I actually don't know what that's for, but you have the wine stopper. You have this, another wine stopper, and then you have the corkscrew. So that's cute. I'm sure I can get something, especially since it doesn't appear to be used, and it's really nice and convenient. So that's awesome. Okay, and in the box. All right, so looks like there's, she did say there were a couple bags. Oh my gosh, this is a big bag. Okay, so this is a really nice, it appears to be, oh, it's Cole Haan. So this is a nice leather Cole Haan tote, and it's in really good condition. Couple tiny little spots, but I pick up Cole Haan. I love Cole Haan personally, so I like picking it up. And this is just a classic shoulder bag and perfect to hold a lot of stuff. So awesome. Okay. Oh gosh. Let's see. We've got Liz Claiborne, another little, it's shell. That's the word I'm thinking of, right? Shell is what you wear under blazers. So that's great. Let's see. I would imagine that it would feel great when you retire, just to get rid of all your stuff. So, okay, so these are a pair of khaki pants, kind of a slim leg pant, and this is by Rafaela. I think this is also a brand that's sold at Macy's. I could be wrong, but it appears to be kind of a high rise, and that's awesome. All right, Jones, New York. This is cute. Pink, perfect for summer. Size XL. I might wear this for a video. That's really adorable. Another bag. Oh, this is nice. Another Cole Haan bag. Love this color. So this is just a lot of space, so it's kind of perfect like the other one, just to kind of have as an everyday shoulder bag or even a work bag. You could probably throw small laptops in there and stuff like that. So that's definitely good. Awesome. I don't find a lot of purses. Okay, what is this? This is, I wonder if this goes with something, because it doesn't appear to have, it has this little tag, but it doesn't have a brand. So I wonder if this goes with something in here. I'll get to it. Okay, so Liz Claiborne. I've actually sold Liz Claiborne quite a few times. Again, personal closet, my mom's closet. So I know it sells, and these are adorable. These are kind of a capri, a slim leg capri. It's got this little white accent, which is nice. Another really good spring summer piece. All right, these are Merona. I just sold Merona a couple days ago. So this is Target. And this is, oh man, this is just kind of a drawstring waist These are actually really good for kind of summer, casual. Awesome. I know those will sell. Okay, this is Caslon. So this is adorable. Okay, I know for a fact she was not sending this stuff to me for me to keep any of this, but this may be worn in a video as well. Because this is really cute. This might be worn a couple times. Okay, so this is Caslon, which is a house brand for Nordstrom. And I own quite a bit from this brand. There we go, a little hard to see, but this is cute. It's kind of a button front. It's got on the back this little design, so that's adorable. I know that will sell. All right, Norsport. I'm not sure where Norsport is, but again, probably department store or something. Just a cute little purple tee. Good for, I think it's kind of a little bit of a workout because it's got some, it's not mesh, it's not sheer, although just breathability on the side. So that must be like a workout top. All right, so let's pick out the fun print. This is Vince Camuto. This is cute. This is definitely something I would wear. And my color scheme. So I wore a lot of shirts like this to my previous jobs. So Vince Camuto, also sold at department stores like Nordstrom Rack and stuff like that. All right, there's a lot of stuff in here. This is Jones, New York, signature. So this, it looks like it's a cardigan. And it's got down the front, it's kind of got this, so I think when I get this steamed, that'll kind of lay, but what do you call this? Oh, it's around the trim as well. It's around the hem. So that's cute. A good neutral color. All right, so these are Eddie Bauer. I like Eddie Bauer. And I occasionally pick it up to resell. So these are a really great pair of Bermuda shorts. Perfect for the season. Awesome. This is Isaac Mizrahi for Target. This is adorable. It's just a little, it's got 3 buttons. I don't think I've been very good about showing labels, so my apologies. I'm just excited because I'm going to start listing this stuff tonight, taking photos of it tonight. I love the green lining. That's adorable. All right, so these are little white capris. These are Charter Club petite and kind of a slim leg. Awesome. This is, I don't know this brand, Great Northwest Indigo. So another pair of white capris. Looks like a high rise, and then there's just a cuff on the bottom. These look like they're in good condition, like hardly worn. All right, I love the color, obviously. Jones, New York, some green capris. Don't worry, steaming will take place. Awesome. All right, this is fun. Little, oh, new with tags. Sag Harbor. So Sag Harbor Sport, it's this is sold at, I believe, department stores as well. So just another pair, looks like kind of a straight leg pair of pants and a really fun belt around the waist. So perfect for summer. And new with tags, which is awesome. All right, Charter Club, nice little white. This is really good. If this had sunscreen in it, it'd be a really good work, hiking shirt. So Charter Club, which is A-okay by me. All right, something with a fun print. Calvin Klein, oh, this is adorable. I've owned a lot of these similar tops. Whoops, this is what you get when you try and wear. So it's a complete button front. It's not a popover style, but really fun print, size XL, and adorable. Will photograph well. Okay, a few more things in here. This is fun. It's got bike print all over it. That is adorable. So kind of a lightweight 3/4 length sleeve, beautiful, beautiful color. And I love the polka dots. So this is Karen Scott. Adorable. All right, Jones, New York, signature. This is a really pretty kind of just green shell. So that's cute. Let's see, another new with tags. This is Merona. So these are a pair of just below waist, straight hip. And fit 2 is what it says. This is a really fun little pop of color. So another slim leg capri or ankle length. Those are cute. All right, this is Foxcroft, which I've sold a number of times. This is fun. It's got the animal print, kind of snake skin, I believe. And it's just a button front. It's very soft, very lightweight. And Foxcroft, which I don't think I've sold a shaped fit top, but this will probably be worn in the video as well. So I'll have a video wear for video pile that I'll wear, and then yeah. Okay, Eddie Bauer, a button front shirt. So this is just a navy blue button front shirt. Classic. All right, last item is a tee. Oh, this is cute. So Halogen. Halogen is a Nordstrom rack, a Nordstrom brand, I believe. So it's just got all this really pretty beading and just a white tee. It's kind of a little bit of an off-white. So like kind of matches the pearls. So that's awesome. Okay, that's it for this box. So I don't know how many things are here, but that was a lot of stuff in one box, and there's 2 more boxes coming. So amazing. I'm gonna start listing. I'm excited that there were some shoes and bags just because, yeah. So I'm gonna get to listing, and stay tuned for 2 more of these videos to see what else my aunt sent me. Again, this was just the sweetest thing, and all of this, she did say condition, she didn't know, so if I get it under the light and it has a little spot, I'll do some stain treatment. But other than that, it seems to all be good, especially new with tags. So thank you, Nancy. This was really sweet. Stay tuned for more videos. Hit the thumbs up before you leave. I hope everyone's doing well, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.